Okay, so here is the current setup. We're using this monitor to view everything from the Raspberry Pi. However, that's a bit unnecessary for right now. So we'll just be focusing on the outputs within the Arduino software. So up top is where we're having the transmit, and then below is where we're having the receive. And you might notice that sometimes there's a jump where it's like receive is unsuccessful, and that's just because like sometimes there might be like one package that's missed. So as you can see here, the robot receives everything, and if you go up here, it's updating appropriately. So in the event that there is a connection lost between the two, so the transmit end and the receive end, we want the robot to just shut down and stop and wait until it's receiving information. And this is just for safety and so that we don't lose control of our robot or anything. So as you can see, everything's being transmitted. It's working as intended. However, when I press this button right here, it'll reset this LoRa. So we can see as if like the connection was lost. We can kind of like mimic that. So I'm going to press the button. As you see, it's saying receive was unsuccessful, receive unsuccessful. And if I try to move this, I cannot control the robot. However, once the connection is reestablished, as it is right here, then we have control of the robot again, as if nothing happened. So in the event that connection is lost in the middle of a transfer, for example, the robot is moving forwards and it's suddenly not able to receive anything, the robot will stop movement. So nothing will be sent. So here's an example. We're going to move this guy forwards. Boop. Okay, so we're going to move him forwards and then press reset. And as you see, he can't move until that connection is reestablished, which should be in a few seconds. And there we go. And we're able to go. Okay, so another feature is within the debug print messages, which has helped a lot. So I'm going to turn off auto scroll and then clear output and reset. So yeah, as you can see, it'll print transmitter powered up and there's nothing being sent here. And then once it's all good to go, the transmitter is powered up, it's able to send things. This also double checks if it is the correct state, and if it's not the correct state, then it won't move on. And then the same thing can be seen on the bottom. So if we reset, let's clear output. So it goes receiver powered up, and then correct state, and then it'll start receiving things. So with these few changes, our robot has increased drastically in terms of safety and also reliability. So whenever there's like a loss of power or there is no information being sent between the two, then our robot automatically enters a state of safety where it will not move.